Let's print some stuff. The data set that we have today is a list of salespeople and the sales that they had for each month during the calendar year. Let's say we needed to print this out for a meeting that we had. If we hit Control P and get a print preview here, we see that the first page looks great. When we click down to look at the second page, however, we're missing the column headers, so we're not really sure which months we're looking at here. Page 3, we've got some column headers, but we don't know which salesperson we're looking at. And then page 4 is utterly useless because it's just a bunch of numbers. So in order to fix that, we'll do what's called print titles. So if you come up here to the page layout ribbon, there's this button called Print Titles in the page setup section. If you click on that, in this section right here, there's a box where you can put the rows that you want to repeat at the top, and then another box for the columns that you want to repeat at the left. So we'll come in here and click this little arrow where we can select the first 2 rows that we want, and then the columns to repeat on the left. In this case, we just want column A. Now we press OK, and that's it. Now when we go back to that print preview, first page looks the same. The second page still gives us the titles that we need. The third page, we now have the salespeople on each row, and the fourth page, we actually know what's going on because we have the column headings and the row titles. So that's it. It's a pretty simple thing, but something that's really useful when you need to print out large sets of data. Thanks for watching, and until next time, go spreadsheet something awesome.